when the diaphragm pump is running at 120 psi, it's actually not going to be pumping in that much pressure. It's going to be maybe 20, 30, 40 psi based on the limitations of, or the restrictiveness of the three systems here. So what the idea is that these gauges will start to show higher pressures as the filters become more clogged, and the pump will put out more pressure to overcome those. So that will be a way that I'd know I need to change the filter out when it starts reaching its maximum pressure here. And the last 1 micron filters, the last one here should in theory last 3 times as long as this one and the 5 micron. Of course, 5 micron is going to take a bigger brunt, but depending on how this entire experiment goes, I may end up just doing a 10, a 5, and then 2 1s, or maybe even stretch it out and do a much higher micron so that I don't clog filters as much, and then just kind of go into the finer particulates. But the idea is you want to make sure this oil basically comes out as clean as you possibly can. Basically like as if it's a new motor oil that you just bought from the store in the bottle. Okay, you want to make sure there's absolutely 0 metal particles, 0 soot, which is basically carbon, which is harder than steel, and that's going to be abrasive enough to destroy your injectors.